Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Black Suit Neighbor Mess Toys. This is the Black Suit Spider-Man 112 scale action figure. This is a bootleg version of the Mezco na, na Black Suit Spider-Man. Tara, buksan na natin. So this is the box. Plain black box background with the Venom logo. Tara, buksan na natin dito sa side. Okay, tapos meron siyang dalawang trays. Okay, let's leave that on the side. Okay. Meron siyang two trays. So you have the first tray, action figure and set of hands. And meron din siyang head. And also, sa second tray, meron siyang base, pole, at saka yung clip. Okay. And web accessory. Mesh Toys lang pala yung ano, yung Mesh Toys yung brand na bootleg ng Mezco. Pero I think this one is from parang Revoltech yung technology niya eh. And dami kasing joints na naka-expose. I think this was the Revoltech bootleg version. Okay, measure muna natin yung action figure. Kailangan ko natin yung ruler natin. The figure stands around 6 inches tall. Very, very nice na proportion. Pwede nyong ilagay sa tabi ng ano, ng mga Marvel Legends since this is 112 scale. Mararamdaman mo talaga na hindi top tier yung plastic quality niya. This is a bootleg na uh, bootleg version. Tsaka, pero magkano ba bang price nito? Wait lang, check ko lang. I think 1,500, 1,800. I don't know. Let me check sa Shopee real quick. 1,471. Okay, kung hindi nyo trip yung, kung medyo mataas yung price point niya para sa ano, para sa bootleg. 1,471. Pero yung listings niya around 1,500 to 180. Ang dami niyang accessories. Sige. Yan. Yung plastic quality doesn't feel top tier. Medyo flimsy yung mga joints niya. Kung medyo matigas yung ibang parts, pwede nyo pahanginan ng blower para medyo mas maging flexible kasi baka mamaya pag rotate niyo ng mga joints baka mabali. Okay. So best to heat the figure bago nyo i-articulate since kapag bago yung figure or brand yung minsan may mga parts na sobrang tigas baka mag-crack yung joints. So since this is bootleg and medyo frail yung plastic, be very careful sa mga ganong klaseng issues. Okay? All black yung color niya. Very nice Venom logo. Ganda rin nung large na eyes niya. And also, shout out din kasi painted yung logo sa likod. Kasi yung alam ko yung ibang Spider-Man hindi na or si Venom hindi na rin painted yung logo sa likod eh. Yung si ZD Toys na Venom hindi na painted yung logo sa likod. Pero this one is very cool. You have the logo. Tapos extended pa yung logo dito sa kanyang sides and dito sa side of the body. Meron ding white din sa kanyang uh, hand. And also you have plenty of accessories. Kaya lang dami niyang kamay. Kaya lang bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? 9 lang. 1, 2, 4, 6 lang. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pala. 10 set of hands. Ganda. You have the fists, you have crawling hands, web hands, relaxed hands, open palm, gripping hands. Para dito sa mga to. Yung meron din siyang web accessory na web shooting effects. Also, you have the squinting eyes na version. And then you also have the stand. Paano ba to? Sulit na rin kung 5,000 meron ka pang base. Pwede na. And if you really like Spider-Man, Super cool ng ano, super cool ng black suit. Okay. Medyo matigas lang. Ayun, okay. Spring load. Hindi siya spring loaded. Pero mahahawakan niyo naman yung figure. Ano naman siya? Secure naman yung clamp niya. Hindi siya loose. Maganda na to. Maganda na tong part na to. And also bendable to. Ito para siyang, I think this is a stronger plastic. Hindi siya yung very flimsy na brittle na plastic. Very nice dito sa work na to, sa base. And also you have the web accessory na pwede nyo ikabit saan ba to? Dito sa likod. Yan, para makalipad siya. Okay. Okay, so in terms of articulation, head can look up, very nice. Movement can look around 360. Meron lang gap dito kapag tinurn na siya on the side kasi syempre may kailangan ng gaps para ma-maximize yung movement niya. Pag meron pang extra plastic dito, baka hindi na ganun kataas yung movement ng kanyang head. Look at that. Very nice. Very cool. And also, meron siyang butterfly. Ito, nagagalaw talaga to. Itong part na to. Also, this is on a ball joint. Ooh, yun lang. May mga gandang parts din yung mga bootleg. Madali matanggal. So, manage nyo na lang din yung expectations nyo since this is a bootleg version. Okay? Tapos, the arms. Uy! Yeah, medyo mahirap lang to i-maneuver. Kailangan lang ng ng tiyaga. You just need to realize na ganito yung quality ng mga bootleg versions. Okay? This can twist. Tapos double jointed elbow, ball joint din. Tapos yung hands nasa ball joint din. It can stretch. Meron lang malaking gap dito. Crunch, movement side to side. Okay? Tapos 360. Yeah, 360 pwede. Medyo maganda yung movement, yung tightness. Oh, yun lang. Dito sa part na to sa upper torso. Pero dito sa waist medyo maluwag. Just put this back up. Okay. Reconnect it. And then yung feet yan, medyo matatanggal lang siya. Madali lang siya matanggal. Feet can kick that far. Can kick back that far. Can bend, double jointed knee. Tapos to, mayroon ball joint yung paa. Tapos meron din siyang toe articulation. Wait lang, try natin i-twist. Ayun, hirap ah. Ito madali lang eh. For this one, ang hirap i-twist. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir ang ating review dito sa ating Mess Toys Black Suit Neighbor Spider-Man. Very nice figure. Medyo may mga konting issues lang dahil nga siya ay bootleg. Pero custom natin ito, custom repaint natin. Ni-review ko lang para meron tayong reference dun sa original na figure. Very, very cool poses ang magagawa nyo dito mga ma'am sir. Explore na lang natin yung capability ng kanyang mga movements. So since medyo parang Revoltech yung kanyang technology, pwede nating i- i-maximize yung mga capability ng nung joints niya. So since bootleg, mas matotodo pa natin yung yung articulation niya. Hindi kayo mag-worry about breaking yung mga ilang parts kasi kung original na Revoltech to magkano yun, di ba? 5,000 compared to 1,400. So, pwede kayong mag-explore. Mas mag-explore ng mga poses na gusto nyong i-display si Spider-Man. Okay? So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.